Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 39 Goldsmith Road. This is a 3-bedroom property with no onward chain. And then moving inside where we have the porch opening into the hallway. We've got the stairs here going up to the first floor. A good sized understairs storage pantry. And then we have the first reception room here with a good sized bay window facing towards the front of the house. And then around to second reception room, which is a good size, and then carrying on where we have the kitchen, which leads through to a small lobby and then the ground floor shower room. And onto the first floor landing. Quite a spacious landing area as well. And then we have the first bedroom. Two good sized bedrooms in this property, with the main one here facing towards the front of the house. Back around to the second bedroom. Nice large window which overlooks the rear garden from here, and then back through to bedroom 3, which also faces towards the rear. Okay, then just heading outside into the rear garden, and we have a flagged patio and path leading down towards the rear. And then just looking back at the house, and that concludes the online viewing. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, do give us a call as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.